Max right now. See what we're gonna get. See what we gonna get. So this is what we're looking at right now.
This is this.
Nice. I fucks with it. Alright, let's go on this test drive. Looks good. Alright, let's see. Okay, damn. Somebody told. And it has a lever like my Mercedes. That's cool. It has a Mercedes feature. Let's put the seatbelt on before it beeps at me. Alright. I got physical buttons, that's what's up. It's my first time driving this. Do drive modes. Let's go to sport. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's dope. I like that. Alright, cool. Let's see. If it was my hydration, doing my meditation, feeling the electrolytes in my body like some electrification. Rising higher and higher in my God hour. Rising up like some chakra, cause a lot of myself. I know but matter things physical left in the dust. All the haters talking negative, I stay hush. Pushing for change, changing this matrix of a game. Was me build a blueprint so we all can escape and make change. Yeah, no religion, no way. Regardless of language, we all want love. Our life, yeah. Yeah. Our life, yeah.
Turn Bluetooth on your mobile device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Can't expect the fastest, obviously the hybrid, but definitely just trying to make sure the transmission shifts good. We got a lot of space though, I like that. Oh yeah, I like the screens, everything looks cool.
Handing out churches on camera inside of your hood, then you go back to the hills. How many houses you build? How many souls did you heal off the back of your deal? Difference between niggas getting you out of your deal and letting you out of your deal. Damn, against your will. How many new names do you got on your wheel? Damn, how many more times is y'all gonna keep calling this something? You know what I mean? Damn.
On the paperwork, drawing some coffee. Yeah.
Hard life, starting from the bottom of the food chain.